Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to provide you with an overview of the experiential learning experience, and this is part 2. For this experience, you are going to explore the health equity lens. You will complete 2 introductory videos. Next, I would ask that you review the introductory module PDF and visit other resources available to you within this PDF. Finally, you will select 3 additional health equity modules to view. Please complete at least one for each of the following sections: social determinants of health, vulnerable population, and economics and policy. So you can see that there are 3 to 4 modules per topic, but you're only required to view one module for each topic area. Once you have completed the videos, you will complete the health equity worksheet. The health equity worksheet can be downloaded, available here on the Brightspace page. This worksheet will be very helpful for you to think through health equity. Very often we think of equality, but we must also think about equity. Here are your 2 introductory videos, and you will click on the links above for those other modules that you will select. As you are watching the videos above, I would encourage you to think about those questions that are listed here. You again will be placing what you learned in action through the Equity and Empowerment Lens worksheet that is available here. You will choose an issue that you and your team or organization encounters in practice and complete the Equity and Empowerment Lens worksheet. The purpose is to trigger thought about equity in the context of your everyday practice and to use the worksheet to guide your thoughts. Ideally, you would complete the worksheet with your team. Feel free to discuss the worksheet with your coworkers and engage in their thoughts as you explore viewing a practice issue in an equity lens. I do hope that this is an eye-opening experience for you. If you have any questions as you complete this experience, please do let me know, and I look forward to answering any questions or concerns that you have. Thank you.